Hello and welcome to another short K2 based video. My name's Kyron and here I would like to show how to easily and quickly remove modules from your project. Here I've already drawn my flat roof and I've drawn the module array, however I have the modules toggled off. You can see a number of obstructions and I'm going to say I want no modules in this area here and here and here. Toggling them back on, I can easily remove them using the eraser function here, and with the shift key I can remove a whole row of modules, and with the control key I can move a column. Using the alt key, and by that I mean holding the alt key and dragging, I can draw a red rectangle and all of the modules in here will be removed. I can do that again here, and perhaps if I go too far I can toggle again by turning them back on. Thanks for watching. That's all we have time for now. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.